Ready, steady, smile. Ready, say, welcome to the sanctuary of my brother and sisters, the Tarshir. Say it, Elisa, Tarshir. Ready, steady, smile. Wait. Steady, smile. Okay, that's it. Here's the Tarshir. This is how it looks, Elisa. Look. Whoa.
Bro, it looks creepy. Look at that teeth.
Creepy.
Bro, look at that. Oh, it's so creepy.
Like you.
Wait,
creepy.
I'm not creepy.
Oh, you're not creepy.
Ang say word?
She looks creepy. The word for
Creepy
today
what?
is creepy mommy. With butong. So to come here, we have to get to the entrance. Is the entrance. Huh? Ikaw ka rin. So much is it? Ikaw na kuha ko. Bayad. So that's bayad and
May bayad na ni.
bayad system.
Student. 133. And senior.
Senior, do you need ID?
Ulo ka studente. Ulo. Ulo ka
The junior, the senior,
senior sa.
and the junior, the juniors.
Ulo ka student.
So pay, how much is it? Regular is
Upat na student.
170, student
Isa ka
160,
regular. o isa ka
junior 136, senior 136.
Yeah, 136 pesos.
What are you, junior?
I'm 14. I don't know. You can take pictures over there.
Huh?
Look at that statue and look at that I love Bohol thing.
Okay, come here. We have to love Bohol. Ooh, we need to take picture of our love Bohol. Whoa. Elisa, come here. Let's take a love Bohol. Okay. Who's gonna take picture? I love Bohol. Me, I love Bohol. Hey, Jay. I want a solo of I love Bohol. Jay, solo ba I love Bohol? Ano? Saan ba tayo?
Diyan kasi kursa.
Mama, una. Si Mama, una. Kaming doon ni Mama. Okay, kitang Mama. Wait.
Dali ba?
Oh, wait. Kaya na. Doon na, be. Kaya makita, be.
Kaya makuha ng I love ha.
Ayun, nagkanan.
Boholand.
Smile. Okay, everyone. Everyone. Come on. Ay, dali mo.
Everyone needs to go.
Come. Tagsa mo. Ikaw na pwede. Sherman, come here. Ibigay mo kay Tito Roy una. Diyan, selfie ka, Roy. Ako'y selfie.
Selfish?
One,
Selfie,
Roy.
not
Ay, teka na.
selfish.
Very selfish.
Not selfish, selfie.
Be self.
Ready?
No.
It's raining.
No rain.
Yeah. Okay. Suluhi ko, Roy. Come on, out, everyone. Solo for Elisa. Elisa solo.
Two, three.
Kaya mo ko'y film. Okay. Okay, one more. Bohol. Camera flash. No camera flash.
Turn off your flash.
Camera lang to.
Kamera?
Camera. Ako na.
Dili, pwede
Ah,
video?
ikaw na? Video pa na mag-video.
Ha?
Pwede mag-video. Ikaw na video. Hawak.
Ako video.
Ay, ma-check out. Ay, kawiri. Ano? Ano kayo na yun ka ng... Ano magod di ano yung makita mo ko. Ano lang.
Start na eh?
Mom, take this.
Sige. Nabali na.
Ay na lang.
Nabali lang ko. Huwag nabali na ba? Wait.
Welcome
Sige.
to the sanctuaries of the Tertiary, only in Bohol, Philippines. Apart from the white sand beaches, we have the Bohol chocolate hills, and you can meet my cousins.
Okay.
Beautiful eyes. Just by the
Oh, some more reminders.
flashes na kaya. So, next time, flashes.
La, ang lula. Have you seen one? Not yet? Ay, gikapoy ang kameraman.
Siyempre, pag-ibig ko nakatuwas ka mo. Nakatuwas ka mo ba? Nakatuwas ka mo ba? Naghanap.
Pwede tayo sila na to.
Kasi na to.
Breeding area. Man, di man pagian.
Here, I'm very tired.
Obama ba? See, the senior can still walk
The
up
almost senior.
right up.
Junior.
Can you see?
Where?
Just go
Okay.
Make sure no flashes, please. Where is it? Can you see it, Elisa? Really?
Yeah, this is the tertiary.
Kibo ka magkuhan na, right?
Hmm.
Not yet? You see it? Is it the one
Hanap
sleeping?
man, hanap man.
Don't pick her up.
Maybe we can look for something. Something.
He's sleeping.
And see nothing.
Go, let's find another one.
More children. Kabahan ka?
Ay, kuranan ato la. Dali na ni siya, ma'am. Okay lang.
Tulog.
Wow! and see, go zooming, zooming and zooming. Wow.
Really nga to bang?
Yes. They move. Hello. What?
Hindi nga kahiling eh.
Hiya, hiya, hiya. Hiya,
Hello,
hiya,
wow,
hiya.
wow.
Hiya, hiya. Wow. Beautiful. Look how my
Yung waves eh.
moving.
He's waving. Okay, bye-bye. Hello, Chelsea. Have you seen your cousin Chelsea? Di naman mga dalo-dolo. Pato to? Moro na. I want to look what is in there. Gusto po. Ay, tapay. Ikaw hindi suda.
I'm allowed to go.
Ikaw na. Ikaw. Your personal.
Sorry, correct. Karimig mo. Karimig na akong anak.
Ari do ari ka makita na mo nga video ka na ay makita siya. Sa picture ba? Yan na ba? Hindi doon ni mama anak. No, anak ka. Anak gyapon kay ko.
Ako nga makita ko.
What I mean is doon ka di mama ka makita ang makitaan sa nawong ni mama og ang camera na ay
Ikaw,
zoom.
ikaw.
Zoom
Ikaw,
video
ikaw.
din.
Di ba? Ikaw video.
Kami sa
Yan ano kung kamot.
cashier.
Ikaw ra makita kung sa.
Sanctuary Bohol.
Kay si Jack may mak.
Kunig ka. Okay, okay. Kani ray gunito rin the picture rin ko. What I mean is excuse me.
Okay. Excuse me, sorry.
Ano, picture ko rin ba? Right. Wait ha. Wait. Don't cover the thing. Oh, you go there. You go. Don't cover the video.
I'm just looking at it.
No, because Tita Roy is taking picture.
Wait, Alisa.
What are you doing?
Nakita? Wait.
Nag-ground gihapon. Nag-ground.
Hmm?
Very far.
No, ako sa manang naapog ka na ako picture. Kuani ko video ba ang picture na nagkuan ko na.
Ako na.
One more time. Smile.
Wait. Ikaw, chika mo. Alisa. Picture. Come. Stay there. Hey, that are sure.
Your Filipino brother. Smile.
Kaya kamo tatlo. Kamo talo. Sama ni. Sanina.
Younger set of
Kamo
people.
talo. Kamo.
Is that it?
Wait, wait. You're
What are you doing?
stepping.
You said.
You're stepping on it. Can you have to cover a little bit?
Yeah, but I can't open my bag.
And then when you put like that. So,
So, better.
come on.
Oh. Oh.
Ikaw, Charmel, ba?
Is that it, Mum?
Not yet. Okay, you and Charmel.
Okay.
Ready, steady, smile.
Sweet smile.
Wait, wait, Chelsea, come on,
Oh,
Chelsea.
that's how I smile.
Chelsea.
Ready, steady, smile. Well done, good job. Ready, steady, smile. Okay, lovely. Sino pa? Oh, selfie. Ato ka be. Ato ka be. Ikaw, Che. Ikaw, makita ka
Hindi
na.
na kapit ang tanan.
Tatanan.
Yung mom.
Ready?
Wait.
Wait. Wala pa. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Ready, go.
Tama.
Pakita ko ba?
Ready? Steady, smile. Ready, steady, smile.
Okay.
Okay.
That's enough.
That's enough. Enough of
Take
the
Right, can we go
tertiary.
now? We've been here for ages.
Yaguan.
I mean, we've been standing here for ages.
Okay,
just
let's
keep going.
let's go there that side. Where's after? Where's after now? We going that side?
Nalgo na.
Ikaw, Chelsea. Mas makipicture. Ha? Chelsea, come on. Ito ka na lang. Which one? Oh, there. Ito, Shermel. Ito ka sa likod.
Dali uwas dito.
Lovely. Pwede? Oh, sa likod. Oh, wait. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Have picture with the Tasha. Come, Melissa. That's the Tasha.
No, that's not a good picture. You can literally see its barn.
He will do it. No, he will do it because he's outside. Okay, so, okay, just on your own. Do you want it on your own? Okay. No? Or I'll do it my own. Okay, come on. Do it.
Okay, that's it. Come on, let's go.
Thank you. Hirap solo.
Okay, Mum, but you better hurry up. Everyone's ahead of us.
Thank you. Oh, lovely.
Everyone's waiting.
I've got a picture.
Everyone's waiting.
Wait, I'm gonna take my picture. Thank you.
Mum, get your
Lovely.
phone back.
Yes, I know. Alisa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, come
Thank
on,
you.
hurry up.
Oh, I've got this beautiful picture.
Good.
You managed to take me
Let's
a
go now.
big picture.
Gotta hurry up. Everyone's ahead.
Emma, kaya ma? O gadto ka magkuwat. Ayan,
Come on, just go. Everyone's ahead.
You hold on to Chelsea.
No.
Chelsea, how are you? This is Chelsea, everybody. Lovely Chelsea.
Oh, Mum, another.
Chelsea, picture ang sama ako kay picture. Dali. Okay, keep picture. Picture. Picture na. Ay, Chelsea. Si Chelsea, sulungin na Chelsea, Roy. Kumain na yung picture ng Chelsea. Chelsea, akin lang yung habi. Yung duhan Chelsea, wala pa mi.
About me, later.
Mm.
Yeah, wait, patient.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Come on. Ay, kay Lola lang. Lola with Chelsea. Come. Yeah, Chelsea. With Lola daw pod.
Mabo, sa mo. Ay, ka Chelsea. Okay. 1, 2, 3, okay?
Let's go.
Si AJ mo. Si Sherman. Ito, mag-picture man sila. Ikaw, Roy. Kakubukan na ba eh. Ako na. Wasan din. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Ay, nako. Alisa, you're showing grumpiness. I'm not taking you next time if you're like this. Okay, this one. Ooh, lovely. What sort of thing is this?
They're leaves, red leaves.
Wow.
And that one as well.
Oh, yeah. It's beautiful. Lovely. Nice. Ma, gunit na. Lola Lika is coming down too.
Coming to town.
Coming to town. Come on, Lola Lika, hold on to ma.
We're in the sanctuary.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on to what?
Hold on to
Together.
to mommy. Go down. Okay, Lola Lika,
But you told me to
hold
hold on to you and then you decided
Not
to
hold, not hold on to you. To hold Lola Lika to hold on to mommy. Go down because it's dangerous.
Honestly, why would you want to make it hold on to you? It looks old. It looks like
Gani kay way balikog sa ka.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you, Lord.
we finished. Come on, let's go out. Mom, it's time to go out.
To alam ko.
You already have a picture of that. What are you doing?
Okay, let's go.